Good morning.
Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, everybody.
Yes.
We have Madison Stoddard with us again this morning.
I'm back.
She's back.
Yes.
One more day.
One more day.
Then I guess we'll let Brendan come back.
I guess.
Okay.
We'll have to allow him.
We will.
He'll just be begging at the door for us to let him in.
Yeah, we disabled his key card.
Yep.
He can't even scan in.
He's a new employee now.
Yeah, brand new.
Yep.
Maybe a reorientation.
Yeah.
No, but we are happy to have Madison with us on this side of things, but we are excited for Brendan to come back and you to do your regularly scheduled business.
Yeah, it'd be nice to be back kind of in the flow of the show. I was just telling you earlier, I'm like, my week is distraught. Like, I don't even know what day it is because
it's all
doing
jumbled
half,
up.
yes,
Yeah.
doing half in the morning and then kind of organizing things for the end of the week with all my interviews and fun things happening. So
yes, and Madison is very prepared. So you're organized, you'll get it.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let us know where you're watching from if you're tuning in, maybe for the first time, maybe our Facebook Live just popped up on your feed. We like to know where people are watching from. We love a local weather report, even if you're out of the state of Michigan. We do cover northern Michigan in our TV viewing area, but we know we reach a lot of people outside of the state of Michigan. So we'll show you the forecast for northern Michigan. If you have questions about the forecast, even if you're not here, I'll do my best to answer those questions. You can guess the weather quiz. Madison will read your comments. And if you have any questions for me, she'll relay those. And we also have a very special guest you'll have to wait to meet after the weather forecast.
You got to stay watching.
Yeah, you got to stay tuned, everybody. All right. Sound good, Madison?
Sounds good.
All right. So we're talking about the Perseid meteor shower because it has already started. We have a slight chance of viewing it tonight, but it continues through August. And tonight is a special evening because the Perseid meteor shower is supposed to collide with the southern Aquariids, which means we could see some bright fireballs in the sky if cloud cover and haze cooperates. So a little background on the weather quiz question. How long have people been observing the Perseid meteor shower though? So has it been about 200 years, about 1,000, or at least 2,000 years? Let us know in the comments. We'll talk about the weather first. So we are waking up to some clouds that are starting to move in along a cold front that's going to move in, which means if you were hoping for relief from heat and humidity, we are expecting some relief behind this cold front. So some of us are still waking up to a muggy start. Others, you're already feeling some relief, but some showers and storms are being kicked up in the eastern UP. So if you're in parts of Chippewa and Luce County, we are seeing some heavier rain there, closer to Whitefish Point, and very isolated sprinkles. If you're in the northern lower, we're starting to see some right over Highway 31, Grand Traverse County, right there, closer to Blair. So if you're there, that's where you could see a light sprinkle this morning. Nothing widespread. Temperatures right now, if you are stepping out the door, still cooler inland there in Grayling and Houghton Lake in the upper 50s. We're warming up to the 60s and 70s already if you're close to the shoreline of Lake Michigan. Outdoor conditions the next 2 days. Although we could see some passing showers and storms early day today, we will start to dry out even tonight. Smoke will move in. High pressure will stay overhead Wednesday and Thursday. So we are expecting even some sunshine, drier conditions. But I do think we could see some poor air quality, especially tomorrow, with increasing haze and smoke from Canadian wildfires. And that's looking at the near surface smoke forecast. So we're going to see more haze, especially by the afternoon north. By tonight, a shot of even more haze will move in. We'll see some haze around tomorrow, too. So we're not as thick as late tonight and into the overnight hours, but we'll still see some lingering haze too. So that will be the weather story. Although we'll see the haze, the Perseid meteor shower is still something to talk about. So if you guys are stargazers and you are looking forward to this, again, this will in fact coincide with the southern Aquariids, which means there could be brighter fireballs. That's why I am talking about it, even though we'll have haze and a few clouds around. We'll be under mostly clear skies. A few clouds are possible, but there's a higher likelihood of seeing the Perseids right now. It does peak closer to the 13th or 14th of August, but it goes throughout August until the 23rd. Rates average for meteors per hour with the Perseids, about 25 meteors per hour. So look to the sky. You could see it Wednesday. I do think we still have a slight visibility chance too. That's our 4-zone forecast. Highs today, 70s in the eastern upper 70s there. Some haze will move in later, a few showers, and we're already waking up to those showers and storms. 84 in Gaylord, 87 in Grayling. Haze later, a few showers on the east side. We still have the chance of a few showers in the northern lower. It's not very likely, and I don't think will be widespread. A little warmer in our southern counties again today, 80s and 90s for highs. Tonight we'll cool off to the 50s and 60s, an isolated early evening shower in the eastern upper peninsula, and we'll hang on to that haze. Mostly clear, but haze on the east side, 50s and 60s for lows. Winds will be light, 63 in Traverse City, 65 in Frankfort, 60s in our southern counties. You can see lower 60s inland through Roscommon and into Wexford counties. Here's a look at our extended forecast. So a few showers around today. Again, models are not really doing a good job of showing you if we could see more rain. I think, again, most of us will stay on the drier side except for those north. Smoke and haze move in tomorrow. We'll see smoke and haze lingering Thursday, but sunny, and temperatures will be on the cooler side, closer to average in the 70s. Even low 80s by the weekend. Looks like we'll be trending drier even into early next week. All right, and we'll let people do some commenting here, but we have a very special guest. So I will be moving to this side of the desk because my name's over here. So I'll have you, I stepped off my box. This is Ethan. Everybody, say hi to Ethan. He is just a little taller than I am.
Just a little bit. You guys are like the same height.
So this is Ethan, and tell our friends where you went to college and what you're going to be doing here.
Yeah, so I'll be the weekend meteorologist now, and then I'll be doing some reporting during the week. I'm from Coopersville, Michigan, so that is on the west side of the state. If you guys know where the Muskegon, Grand Haven, Holland, Grand Rapids area is, that's about where I'm from. So very used to this lake effect snow, not as much as you guys get up here,
we get
but
a little bit more.
yeah, you guys get about double what we get down there. But still, that's why I went into the field of meteorology, and so I went to Central Michigan University, so fire up chips. And so I will be starting here very soon, so definitely looking forward to being able to cover the northern Michigan area. And then I also went to Coopersville High School, so certainly excited to be here.
Yeah, we love that Michigan resident here. Are you excited to live up north?
I certainly am, and also, if you guys didn't hear, there were some severe weather over into Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska, Minnesota yesterday, so I'm not brand new to the field. I graduated from CMU in 2022, and so I spent about 3 years out in Sioux City, Iowa at the ABC station out there, so definitely not new to this, so certainly excited for that. But there were some wind gusts last night, some very damaging wind gusts out there. One report of 99 miles per hour.
That's very strong.
So certainly thinking about my previous coworkers out there. So certainly.
We hope everybody was safe with those storms.
Absolutely.
But Ethan is going to be taking over for Trevor, so. Maybe you'll see his bright and shining face on the weekend this weekend. So we'll kind of see about that. But also, I just want to address, we are all wearing pink today.
We are.
We did not coordinate
No,
this,
we did not.
But Ethan was on the same page as Madison.
He knew.
And I just felt, it looks maybe a little bit more red for you, but the hot pink was somehow the Tuesday vibe today.
I guess so.
Yeah. You guys maybe have recognized Ethan's name in the chat here on Facebook Live. So you get to see Ethan in person. He's moved here. He's going to be here for at least a couple of years, right?
Yeah, that's the hope, and hopefully longer than that, since this is my home state. So definitely happy to be back in the home state, even though I love the Siouxland area where I previously was.
Yeah, and we appreciate everything that Trevor R. has done for us. Trevor Robideau has been a great meteorologist, and he'll be moving on, and Ethan will just be taking his place because we need someone to do it, right?
We're excited to have him join the team.
Yeah, we're excited.
Trevor's also been training me on the reporting side too, so you may be seeing a package from me as soon as Thursday morning. So
you'll definitely hear his voice.
Yeah. We'll definitely be seeing a lot more from Ethan, so we appreciate him. He's just been training with me on the morning, so that's why you're seeing him.
Yep, he's been up early with us all morning long.
Yeah, watching the whole morning show.
Yeah.
I was the morning meteorologist back there, though, in Sioux City, Iowa, so
he kind of has a good idea,
Yeah, I'm certainly used to this, but it was nice to have a few weeks off from having to get up that
early.
early.
Alarm clock, All right, so I'll have you sit down. I'll sit back here. Madison will read the comments. Sound
Sounds
good?
See you guys soon.
So let's say hello to our friends. We have 37 people with us today.
Okay.
Christopher says hello, Heather and Madison, watching from Alpena. And then Chris is saying good morning from East Lansing. And then Christopher is saying 63 degrees and sunny in Alpena. And he's also saying hello to Gib as well. And Lisa also says hello.
Oh, hi, Lisa.
And he says, sorry, I missed Friday and Monday, but I had to get my girlfriend to her EEG test. That's okay.
Yeah.
You're here with us now.
We're glad. We're glad to hear from you when we
Yes.
do. We weren't worried yet, Christopher. But maybe if you didn't join tomorrow,
yeah.
we might be like,
Yes. A little
what's Christopher up
skeptical,
to?
yeah.
Yes.
Joel says good morning from Pleasanton, 69 cloudy, heading to work soon. And he's guessing 2,000 years for the quiz.
Okay.
Nancy says good morning from East Jordan, where it's 66. And then Chris is also saying hello to Gib. Susan Chappell says good morning, everyone. 66 here in Frederick. And she has a little, I think, partly sunny emoji there.
Okay.
And I'm off to see my girlfriends, then maybe the beach if I can. You both look beautiful. Have a great day, everyone.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy the beach if you get out there. I'm jealous.
It's the time of year. We only have a short window.
I know.
And I'm like, I was thinking about it yesterday on my drive home, like, I should probably go to the beach again at some point.
I know. It's
Yeah.
like that. I swear, July just flies by like snap of a finger, and then
It
we're like,
does.
we're in August, and
Yeah.
things start coming back to full circle with sports and school, and
Then pretty soon you'll be hearing the snow word.
yeah, not excited for that one.
We have to take advantage of the warm weather while we have it. That's
yes,
just
for sure.
that is just the point here.
And then Susan Lash Sims says, morning again, it's a little cloudy and 67 here in Kalkaska. And then she's guessing 2,000 as well.
Okay.
Gail says, good morning again from Kingsley. And then she says, welcome aboard, Ethan. And Chris is also guessing 2,000. And Christopher is saying, nice pink dress, Madison, and orange dress, Heather. I know it looks orange on the screen, and I was telling her that earlier because
I know, you
I was like, I
were.
looked at it, I'm like, wait, it's a totally different color on screen than it is in person. But
Yeah.
she has like a hotter pink dress than I do. So, and we're actually wearing the same style
It's
dress.
the exact dress.
So
Just a different color.
we both put it on, and we both came out here. I was like, well, I'm not changing
I was
now.
like, wait a second. Right before the 4:30 is when I found out. But also Madison Christopher's colorblind, so he's just like trying to usually.
No, but that's like okay. I mean,
I
that's
totally. It's close.
yes.
Yeah.
No,
I'm with him.
that's why I said it.
Yeah.
It looked red, so
Yeah.
I was like, I was confused why it's keying out, but
Yeah.
yeah,
Just who knows?
yes.
I'm a pink girly. If you watch the 620 Facebook Live, you'll probably be able to see the
Yeah,
actual pink.
yeah.
But yeah.
And then Cassie says it's a beautiful day, going to exercise class today, then lunch with my besties.
Fun.
And then Christopher and Lisa are both guessing 2,000.
Okay.
So is Gail and Nancy. And then Kathy's also saying, welcome, Ethan. Bethel says, welcome, Ethan, from Manistee. And then she's also guessing 2,000.
Okay.
Christopher says, hello, Ethan, and welcome to Northern Michigan. We got a lot of shout-outs to you, Ethan, here. Nancy says, hello. Susan Chappell says 2,000. Alice says, good morning, and hi, Ethan. It's 70 here in Alpena. And then good morning from, Christine says, good morning from Akiak. It is 64, and my weather station is saying 98 for humidity. Hello, Ethan. You all have a great day. Susan Lash Sims is saying, welcome, Ethan. Paula says, good morning from Boyne Falls, 65 and mostly cloudy. And she says, hello, Ethan, fellow CMU alumni.
Oh, fun.
Yes, fire up. There you go.
Yeah.
And then she said, glad you're aboard. And she's guessing 2,000. Oh, then Christopher says, oops, I didn't know it was habit. No, it totally, like, it keys out.
Christopher, it's all good.
It's
Yeah.
all good. It's pretty either way.
Well, thank you.
And then, Susan Chappell says, welcome to the board, Ethan. And Gail is just saying we'll miss Trevor and his high energy.
Oh, yes, yeah. I don't know if Ethan will be screaming fries on Facebook Live like I heard that happened when I was gone. But Ethan he'll bring some energy to the team when he has to fill in for me when I do take time off.
Yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, and I'm sure the weekend, Cody does a great job, and I'm sure they'll have fun on the weekends together.
And then Christopher just saying things pop up, like appointments. He tries not to miss the Facebook Live. So.
We love that.
Yes, we appreciate your dedication to seeing us every morning.
Yeah, listening to us just talk and talk. Yeah.
Well, we're all caught up so far with everybody.
Okay, perfect. So we're talking about the Perseid meteor shower. It's top of mind for many because we'll be seeing it, and it's a long meteor shower event. So if you can't see it tonight, and maybe the clouds and the haze are obstructing your view, or maybe you don't have the chance to stay up late for some reason, you have plenty of time to try to view the Perseid meteor shower. So we're asking, how long have people been observing the Perseid meteor shower? What do you think?
I was going to go big or go home and guess at least 2,000 years.
Well, you have to go big because this is your last anchor day this week.
Exactly.
Yeah. And that is the correct answer. So at least 2,000 years. It goes way back when in the records. So it's been around for a while, and we have an opportunity to see them. Madison, director Gibb, and producer Brandon, they're all tied 2 for 2 with our weather quiz standings so far this week. Facebook viewers, 0 for 1. We had Gail today. We just weren't able to show you guys the weather quiz yesterday due to technical issues. So thanks for bearing with us. If you watch the live TV side of things, we also had some other things going on today. It has been a whirlwind, but we made it through.
Yep,
right?
We're here. Yes.
Yeah.
We appreciate everyone sticking with us.
Yes,
so.
yeah. We just have some other
It
things
happens,
going on.
yeah.
Yep. So why don't we talk about tomorrow then, Madison?
Yes, we will.
Brendan will be back. So Brendan and I will be joining you 4:30 to 7. But Madison will be in the field at 6 a.m.
Yes, I'll be back in the field once again, and I'm going to Elk Rapids for their annual Harbor Days.
Harbor Days, so
Yes.
fun.
Yes, I went there last year. I'm excited to go again. And I love going back to places I've been before because then I get more familiar with the areas and kind of the tradition there, and also the people as well.
Yeah, it's always fun to go back. I think that was one of my first longer stories I did. I had to drive to Elk Rapids for previewing the setup of Harbor Days.
Yeah, I haven't been to that area in a while, at least Antrim County, so.
Yeah, it'll be good to go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, fun times. I'll have to make the event forecast. It's in the brain now.
Yes, there you go.
Yeah, I just heard
Giving
it here
you
first.
a to-do list.
Yeah, that's okay. I like having direction. Helps guide the forecast. When weather's quiet too this week, I'll have enough time to do more event fun for the morning
I'll give
show.
you more tasks then.
Yeah.
to do.
Well, I know Nautical City Festival in Rogers City kicks off tonight
Okay.
too, so we'll have that. There's just always so many festivals
Yep.
towards the end of summer. So
Yep, gotta squeeze
Exciting.
them all in.
yeah, gotta get them in while you can.
Yes.
We have nice weather to enjoy them.
Finally,
it'll be
yep.
perfect for the Harbor Days too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else for our friends from Madison, from Gibb, from Ethan? Are we all set? Good from Gibb?
We're good over
Good?
here.
Good. All right, everyone. We'll have a fantastic, or as Ethan would say, terrific Tuesday. We're back here tomorrow morning. Have a good one.
Bye.